Good morning. So I filled up 2 bottles of water, and I am going to pour them on the window and see if I can find that leak. But as I was moving this table out of the way, I think I see where the leak's coming from. Look at this. It looks like the seal is pulled away. I bet it's coming in from right there. I bet it is. I don't even want to pour water on it because I bet that's where it's coming from. But let's do that anyway. Is that a little bit of water coming in? Oh, look at that right there. I bet that's where it's coming from. I directed it to the spot that was peeled back. I see a little bit of water coming in, not a lot. Now you could imagine if it just rained for days and just kept the wind and the rain just kept blowing on that window, there would be a lot of water built up. So yeah, it just looks like it got a little damp, but there's definitely water coming in. So I think instead of just pulling everything out, I'm just gonna fix that one spot and then test it again. And if that's what the problem is, that's what the problem is. And then we don't have to worry about searching for maybe what if it's somewhere else. We'll just fix that because we actually see it. And then if there's still a problem after that, well, we'll fix the next problem that comes along. But let's fix this one problem first. So I went inside and did some research, read some forums to figure out how to fix this window. And they're talking about I have to get a piece of wire and put it through and cut out the whole window and put this new window sealant on. It's like it's something that goes in a caulk gun. It's like a glue. And you put it on the inside and then you push the window in. And then I looked at the price of that, and everything is way expensive. And so for now, I'm gonna try something. I got some electrical tape here. Probably not. I'm sure it's not the greatest fix or even what somebody would do or recommend. But just because it's freezing out here, and I'll get to this in the spring when it's warmer, and we could do a whole thing on how to replace the window. But right now, I just want to keep the water out. So I'm just gonna run this electrical tape around the window. Hopefully that'll create a seal enough to keep the moisture from getting in the car. And I wouldn't be doing this if I were driving this car, just because I'm sure it would peel off, you know, when the wind hits it and everything. But since this car just sits here, this should work. Or maybe it'll work a little bit anyway. Better than nothing. All right, there we go, $1.98 fix. Well, we'll see if that works. At least maybe it'll keep the water out for now. Maybe it'll keep some of the water out. And spring comes along and feel like getting out here and replacing that. It'll be some fun to do. I'd like to do it so I could learn how. But right now it's about 36 degrees out here. So I'm going back inside where it's warm. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.